All right, so it opens like that. Pull it apart and it collapses. So it'll twist and twist like an accordion. Got a little holder you can hold like this by, or there's looks to be like a backpack strap here that you could unwind and use it. That's pretty simple. It has some Velcro so that backpack strap goes like this. Put it like this, fold it down, and guess what? This should fit right back into it has to be open for that seat to attach.
Doesn't it?
I think so. No?
Open it.
See how it fits on there now. Shouldn't change that much, right?
Well, just,
Does it pop in here?
oh, there's a locking mechanism. Lock and unlock.
All right, let's talk about that.
And it's 19.7 inches tall.
All right.
Maybe it locks the seat cushion. It's probably for the seat cushion to lock.
No. It just that one pops in there and those two go in there, I think. Okay. There's also a little locking mechanism here. You can tell that. Tells you how to lock it, how to unlock it. So we're gonna lock this. Bam. You can hear this good. We'll put this back on.
Just sits like that. Say that it stands 19.7 inches.
I think it goes like this. $19.7 All right, so this does stand 19.7 inches, almost 20 inches. And look how easily it goes back into its carrying bag. This, you can actually use this as a backpack.
Oh, it's really great for amusement parks when you're standing in those long lines.
Oh yeah, that's a good idea. But that's why I get the express pass. So anyways, yeah, wonderful value. Technology is something else. We just sent people up in space to the moon and we got these. What's next? Robots? All right, thank you.